Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Kahi Wrinkle Multi-Bounce Balm. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon, and over 10,000 have been purchased on Amazon in the past month alone. Introducing your all-in-one solution for age-defying hydration. This luxurious balm is designed to deliver instant moisture while targeting fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a smooth, radiant finish. Its compact, portable stick design allows for quick touch-ups anytime, anywhere, leaving your skin fresh and luminous. Infused with collagen and natural ingredients, Kahi Bounce Balm not only softens but also firms the skin, making it an essential tool in your beauty routine. Experience youthful, glowing skin on the go with Kahi, where skincare meets convenience. So how exactly do you use it? Start with a clean, dry face. Gently glide the balm directly onto areas of your face that need moisture or wrinkle care, such as the forehead, under the eyes, cheeks, around the mouth, and neck. Gently pat the product into your skin with your fingers to help it absorb and ensure even coverage. Keep the balm with you for a quick touch-up whenever your skin feels dry or needs a radiant boost. This easy-to-use balm fits perfectly into a busy lifestyle, keeping your skin plump, hydrated, and wrinkle-free anytime, anywhere. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.